If you love plants with bold and colorful leaves, then you can grow these indoor plants with rainbow foliage to liven up the dull space of your house. Differently colored leaves on houseplants give the decor a striking look. Grow these indoor plants with rainbow foliage to add a rainbow of color to your house. Starting with Calathea dottii. Stunning variety within the Calathea family, known for its dramatic and dark foliage. The most striking feature of the Calathea dottii is its dark, almost black leaves with vibrant pink veins and outlines. The central vein is usually a bright pink, and a pink outline follows the edge of the leaves, making the plant look almost like a work of art. The undersides of the leaves are a deep purple or maroon. Calathea roseopicta, Rosie. Calathea Rosie is another beautiful addition to any indoor plant collection, especially for those who appreciate plants with colorful foliage. The center of the leaves has a vibrant pink or rosy hue, surrounded by dark green edges. Caladium. Caladium, known for its vibrant, heart-shaped leaves, makes a striking indoor plant. Its foliage comes in various colors, including pink, red, white, and green, often with stunning patterns. Regular watering and avoiding direct sunlight will help maintain their lush, colorful appearance indoors. Stroman sanguinea, tricolor. The slender leaves of this plant have white variegation with shades of light pink or peach, which makes it a wonderful centerpiece. The stunning foliage of Stroman sanguinea, tricolor, makes it an eye-catching indoor plant. The leaves have a lovely blend of pink, cream, and green hues. This plant enjoys a humid atmosphere and does best in bright, indirect light. Begonia raxcultorum. Begonia raxcultorum, commonly known as the rainbow begonia, is a vivid and colorful plant valued for its striking foliage. Shades of green, red, pink, purple, and silver are among the striking array of hues displayed by its enormous, asymmetrical leaves. Begonias with rainbow hues are great for bringing a pop of color into interior areas. Aglaonema commutatum. It is commonly known as Chinese evergreen. Aglaonema provides a variety of vibrant foliage that resembles rainbows. It's a popular indoor plant admired for its lush, colorful foliage. Its leaves can feature a variety of patterns and colors, including green, silver, red, and pink, depending on the cultivar. Its air-purifying qualities make it a great addition to any indoor space. Coleus, Solnost mons Cutillaroides. Coleus is a popular ornamental plant known for its vibrant, multicolored foliage. Its leaves come in a wide variety of colors, including red, green, yellow, pink, and purple, often with intricate patterns and borders. Coleus is highly versatile and can be grown both indoors and outdoors. It thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate some shade, making it ideal for various settings. Codium variegatum, bush on fire croton. Crotons are a great choice for adding a burst of color to indoor spaces in warm climates. Their bold appearance makes them a favorite among plant enthusiasts looking to make a statement with their greenery. Known for its striking, colorful foliage, the leaves of a croton plant come in a dazzling array of colors, including red, yellow, orange, green, and even purple, often with bold patterns and veins. These vibrant leaves are leathery and can vary in shape, from narrow and elongated to wide and oval. Moses in the cradle, Tradescantia spathacea. Also known as the boat lily and oyster plant, it forms a russet of sword-like, narrow, spiral-shaped dark green leaves with pink margins, creamy white streaks, and purple undersides. The leaves grow in a russet pattern, forming a dense, compact clump. Tradescantia spithacea thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate some shade. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica Thinke. Rubber plant, Thinke, is a striking indoor plant known for its variegated leaves. The large, leathery leaves display a mix of green, cream, and pink hues, creating a beautiful, rainbow-like effect. This cultivar of the rubber plant is easy to care for and can grow into an impressive statement plant. Begonia, Guinea Galaxy. Begonia, Guinea Galaxy, is a captivating hybrid begonia known for its stunning, speckled foliage. The leaves are dark green to nearly black, with striking white or silver speckles scattered across the surface, giving the plant a galaxy-like appearance. The foliage is typically glossy, with a slight curl at the edges, making it an eye-catching addition to any plant collection. Fittonia, Red Star. This plant is an excellent choice for those people who want to bring colors to their home decor. Often referred to as the nerve plant. Red Star features leaves with deep green centers and prominent red veins, creating a bold and eye-catching contrast. Polka dot plant, Hypoestes philostachya. Its pretty pink leaves are embellished with dark green patches. The vibrancy of foliage becomes more intense under the morning sunlight. One more colorful variety, Carmina, comes in purple and a scarlet hue. This plant is compact and bushy, making it an attractive addition to tabletops, desks, or small spaces. Echeveria Rainbow. Like a real-life rainbow, this succulent wears several hues simultaneously in layers. When stressed under sunlight and changing temperatures, it takes on various shades of peach, pink, and green at different levels of its form. The changes in colors are enhanced by short periods of drought as well. Peperomia clusifolia rainbow. It is also known as the rainbow peperomia, is a striking indoor plant recognized for its vibrant, variegated foliage. The leaves are thick and waxy, displaying a mix of green, cream, and pink hues with a subtle, almost metallic sheen. This colorful pattern gives the plant a lively, attractive appearance. Its compact size makes it ideal for small spaces, and it adds a splash of color to any indoor space. Saxifraga stolonifera. It is also known as the strawberry begonia, is a unique and attractive plant noted for its trailing growth habit and striking foliage. It features round, scalloped leaves with a rich green color and often has reddish-brown or silver markings. Its trailing nature makes it an excellent choice for hanging baskets. Portulacaria afra variegata, rainbow bush. It is also known as variegated elephant bush. If you want an easy-to-maintain plant that also looks great and attracts good luck, then this is it. It showcases a blend of multiple colors and does best in bright, indirect light. Kalanchoe humilis. Kalanchoe humilis, also known as the dwarf kalanchoe, is a succulent plant valued for its compact size and unique appearance. It features small, fleshy leaves that are typically bluish-green or grayish-green and often have reddish margins. This colorful cultivar showcases pale green egg-shaped foliage patterned with maroon or purple streaks on a branched, woody base. Paddle plant, Kalanchoe luciae. A paddle plant is an evergreen succulent with a rosette of thick, fleshy leaves coated with a powdery white coating. The paddle-like leaves are green, but they turn red at the edges when exposed to sunlight. There are compact and bigger leaf size varieties available, and you'll love them all. This succulent changes color intensely as winter arrives. Tradescantia rainbow. Tradescantia rainbow, also known as rainbow inch plant, is a striking and colorful variety of Tradescantia, admired for its vibrant, multicolored foliage. The plant's leaves feature a blend of pink, purple, green, and cream, creating a beautiful, striped pattern. The brilliant coloration on its leaves will be a showstopper on tabletops. Echeveria dionysos. Echeveria dionysos is a captivating succulent known for its compact rosette of fleshy, spoon-shaped leaves. The leaves are typically a soft green or bluish green with pink or red tips, giving the plant a delicate, almost ethereal appearance. Like many echeverias, the leaves of Dionysos have a powdery coating called farina, which helps protect the plant from sun and water loss. Ceropegia woodii variegata. This plant is commonly known as variegated string of hearts, is a highly sought-after trailing succulent known for its delicate, heart-shaped leaves. The leaves are a beautiful mix of green, pink, and cream, with the pink hues becoming more pronounced in brighter light. The plant's stems are thin, wiry, and can grow quite long, making it ideal for hanging baskets. Cordyline fruticosa, Vahi rainbow. It is also known as Cordyline bolero. This gorgeous variety offers splash colors, and its glossy leaves feature a fusion of yellow, green, bright red, and pink tones. Cordyline bolero is a striking ornamental plant known for its vibrant, colorful foliage. The leaves are long, narrow, and arching, with a mix of different colors, creating a dramatic and eye-catching effect. Jacob's coat, Acalypha wilcatiana. Acalypha wilcatiana, also known as copperleaf or fire dragon, is a tropical shrub renowned for its vibrant and colorful foliage. The large, heart-shaped leaves display a stunning array of colors, including shades of red, orange, bronze, pink, and green, often with variegated patterns. The leaves' bold and fiery hues make this plant a striking addition to any space. Jelly bean plant, Sedum rubrotinctum. This succulent's small, jelly bean-shaped leaves fit perfectly in compact, confined spaces that desperately need some breathability and freshness. The round leaves are green, but they change into bright red under full sunlight and hot weather. Neuragilia, wild rabbit. Neuragilia, wild rabbit, is a stunning bromeliad known for its vibrant and unique foliage. With rounded foliage at the ends, this plant stands out with its light green leaves and red banding. The white variegation complements its open rosette shape. Aeonium, sunburst cristatum. It is a unique and visually striking succulent known for its crested, fan-like growth pattern and colorful foliage. Unlike typical aeoniums, which form rounded rosettes, sunburst cristatum grows in a crested shape, creating an unusual and sculptural appearance. The leaves are fleshy and variegated with a mix of green, yellow, and cream, often with pink or red edges that become more pronounced in bright light. Bilbergia, hallelujah. This is a stunning bromeliad known for its striking foliage and vibrant colors. This cultivar features long, tubular leaves that are deep green to purplish black, adorned with irregular spots and speckles of bright pink, white, and purple. These rainbow-like striking patterns and colors not only brighten up any room but also bring a touch of natural artistry indoors. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.